All right, we are on our last unit of 7th grade, which is statistics. This is unit 10. Now, statistics is dealing with data and how we interpret and represent and analyze that data, and that's what we'll be looking at in this unit. In this unit, we're going to cover 4 skills. We're going to talk about mean, median, and range, and then we'll throw in a little bit of mode in there as well. We'll discuss what each of those are. Impacts on data, like what happens if we remove data or add data to our data sets. We'll talk about histograms, which is one of the ways we can display our data. And then we'll also talk about circle graphs, which is the other way that we will talk about for this unit. Now, this is what your rubric will look like for this, where you'll find your CYUs. Most of them are on IXL or quizzes that I have created. You will need to get 80% correct on those to receive that skill checked off. Just like with the IXLs, you need a mastery score of 80. There is one on Delta Math that is the histograms one. It's a medium one, and I will show you how to do those in that video. And then we will end this with an experiment design, which we have collected some data, and then we will interpret that data and display it. And that will be located on Schoology.